Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cook honey garlic pork chops. And here are the ingredients that we will be needing. Pork chops seasoned with garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And for the cooking part, we need olive oil, butter, garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar. So without further ado, let's get started. First, since we don't have the pre-cut meat, I will just cut the meat myself, but if you do, that will be perfect. I separated some meat in the big bowl and seasoned it with salt and pepper for tomorrow. I mixed it well, covered with plastic wrap, and refrigerated. Now for the honey garlic pork chops, I'm going to season the pork with ground black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Do the same to the other side and we're ready to cook. Heat all in a pan over medium-high heat until hot. Sear the meat on both sides in about 5 minutes each until cooked through. Transfer it to a plate and set it aside. Now we will reduce the heat to medium, and in the same pan we are going to melt the butter and saute the minced garlic for about a minute. We can now add the honey and apple cider vinegar. We will continue to stir and cook until the sauce thickens slightly. After that, we can add the pork back into the pan and cook it for a minute. And for the final part, we are going to plate it, and voila! Our honey garlic pork chops. They turn out tender enough to cut with fork, and it was fantastic that my family asked me to cook double portion next time. A great success in my first attempt. Try it out at home, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!